If you can talk to your phone, you can stop doing bookkeeping and tax records because we know you hate doing it and you hate paying for it. Just use this Talk MasterCard along with this brand new technology, artificial intelligence phone app, and you'll wipe out the need for QuickBooks. No more bookkeeping, no lost receipts or deductions, and no trouble with the IRS 2 or 3 years down the road because your online banking becomes your profit and loss statement just because you're talking on the phone. Let me just give you one brief example. I'm out there as a business owner. I buy something for my business. As soon as I do, the phone lights up and it says, "Hey, what was this all about?" I just talked to the phone in one complete sentence about the transaction, the business intent of the transaction, and that's what's always missing. So then I take a picture, and right before my eyes, the artificial intelligence with that voice recognition is going to code the transaction and put it right into my online banking where I can drill down and see the receipt. I can drill down and see the contemporaneous business intent that is so important. And if I have questions, I can email a local accountant. It'll pour it over to Excel so I can get detailed reports like, well, how much did we make on the Franklin listing, or what did we spend on advertising last month? But since it goes to Excel, that means it'll go to your tax software. Now, the reason this works compared to everything else out there is because of the ping. The ping forces you to respond to it. It'll come in as soon as you run the card. If you ignore it, you hear it 5 minutes later. If you ignore it, you hear it at 5 o'clock. But you can't go 3 transactions because then the card will stop working until you go back in and talk to the phone. So we're teaching you to do the right thing so that a couple of years from now when the IRS sends one of those correspondence audits, you're not going to get nailed because you didn't have the business intent recorded at the moment of the transaction. And the nice thing is it is cheap. It's only $19.85 a month to do this, and we're wiping out all those bookkeeping troubles. Now, we do 39 webinars a month. They're real short, 8 to 10 minutes average, and they're divided up to particular industries like truck drivers or realtors or contractors. To get a list of our upcoming webinars, simply put in your email and I'll send it out immediately. Thank you for listening.